Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Today I will be sharing with you all a couple of face masks using turmeric, which are very easy, affordable and available right into your kitchen. So need not to worry, and these face masks are according to various skin types, so you can match a perfect one according to your skin type. And before starting this video, please make sure you like this video, share it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. So now